Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of forgetting bill payments and dealing with late fees, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to track bill reminders in Honeydue, a user-friendly app designed to help individuals and couples manage their finances seamlessly. Whether you're sharing expenses with a partner or handling them solo, Honeydue makes it simple and stress-free. First off, let's get started with the basics. Download the Honeydue app from your phone's App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. This quick setup will give you access to all the features. Now, head over to the Bills section, which is front and center in the app. Tap the plus icon to add a new bill. Enter key details like the bill name, amount, due date, and who it's from. Honeydue even lets you attach photos of receipts for easy reference, super handy. The real magic happens with reminders. For each bill, you can set custom notifications. Choose how many days in advance you want to be alerted, whether it's a day before or a week. This feature ensures you never miss a deadline. Don't forget to enable notifications in your phone settings so Honeydue can send you timely pushes. Once your bills are added, tracking them is a breeze. The app's dashboard gives you a clear overview of upcoming payments, with color-coded statuses like due soon or paid. You can mark bills as paid right in the app or snooze reminders if needed. For an extra layer of organization, Honeydue integrates with your phone's calendar, syncing reminders automatically. This way, your bills show up alongside your other events. There you have it. Tracking bill reminders in Honeydue is straightforward and effective. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you managed without it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.